How to get my WhatsApp link. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up WhatsApp on a device. Then tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now simply tap on settings. Now on the settings page, next to your profile, simply tap on the QR code icon. Now on the QR code page, simply tap on my code or simply tap on share. Now give the permissions. Now next to add me as a contact on WhatsApp, here is your link. Now take a screenshot, then go back to the home screen. Now open up Google Lens on a device. Now give the permissions. Now tap on the gallery icon and select the photo. Now give the permissions, then select the photo. Now copy the link and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.